Welcome to the Voice of America's Newsworks.
For centuries, Kayan women in Myanmar have worn a traditional symbol of beauty, Shun.
83-year-old Maria Ken has been wearing rings around her neck, arms, and legs since childhood. All Kayan women were once expected to wear them, but now some have started to shun the practice.
They're heavy and uncomfortable. Also, I don't know much about them. That's why I don't wear them.
To shun is to ignore, avoid, or reject a person, place, or activity.
People are shunned when their behavior or beliefs are not acceptable to others.